Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to MTL Box Breaks. It is Sunday, December the 8th. It is now 8:23 a.m. Eastern Time. This is break number 442, which is a brand new box of Panini Certified 2011-12. Serial number NE93893132. Alright, so wish you guys good luck. Checklist. Pack number 1. Base. Alexander Burmistrov for the Winnipeg Jets, numbered out of 399. Fabric of the game. Base and base. Pack number 2. Base pack. Pack number 3. Cam Ward for the Carolina Hurricanes, Masked Marvels. Base, base. Rookie freshman signatures for the Philadelphia Flyers, Eric Gustafsson. Pack number 5. Certified Red Mirror for the Detroit Red Wings, Nicholas Lindstrom, numbered out of 199. Base, base. For the Anaheim Ducks, Bobby Ryan, number out of 25. Fabric of the game. Base, base. Pack number 7. Base, base. Eternals for the Philadelphia Flyers, Tim Kerr. Base, base. Pack number 8. Base, base. Private signings for the Vancouver Canucks, Rick Ripien, autographed. Base, base. Pack number 9. Immortals for the Carolina Hurricanes, Ron Francis, numbered out of 500. Base, pack number 10. Empty box. Base, and base pack. Alright, so on this box break number 442, we got hits from Carolina, Ron Francis, Vancouver, Rick Ripien, Philadelphia, Tim Kerr, Bobby Ryan for Anaheim, Niklas Lindstrom for Detroit, Eric Gustafsson for Philadelphia, Cam Ward for Carolina, and Alexander Burmistrov for the Winnipeg Jets. Alright, so I thank you very much for joining the break. Hope that you got good hits on this one, and I hope to see you back on next breaks.